Number 7.
Find the equations of two straight lines
Okay.
which are parallel to the line 12x plus 5y plus 2.
12x plus
5y
5y plus 2 is equal to 0.
and at a unit distance from the point 1 comma minus 1.
Okay. So you see, find the equation of a line which is parallel to this, right? Find the equation of two lines, right? Which is parallel to this line. So I know the slope of the required line. The slope of the required line will be equal to the slope of this line because they are parallel. This line, or I will draw like this. This line is line 1 and another line is this, right? So they are parallel. Correct? Again read the question. Find the equation of two lines.
Of two straight lines
Okay.
are parallel to the line 12x plus 5y
Fine. Yeah, I've written that. Yes.
equal to 0 and at unit distance
At unit distance.
from the point
At unit distance
from the point
from P, let it be. What is that?
1 comma minus 1.
1 comma minus 1. Okay. So line, to find line, to find lines at unit distance from P, isn't it? That is what the question is. So now this is parallel. This line is, line 1 is parallel to this line, parallel to 1, and these are the two conditions it is given, isn't it? To find the line, which number 1 condition is parallel to 1, and next is unit distance from P. This is a line, these two are parallel, and this line is unit distance from this point, from P, that is 1 comma minus 1, isn't it? So this unit distance means perpendicular distance. I told you the very first, isn't it? Distance of a point from a line is the perpendicular distance. Okay, what was the reasoning I have given for that? From this point, if I want to find out the distance of this line, I can take this distance, 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 any distance. But there is the ambiguity, isn't it? One can tell, no, this is the distance. Another may say, no, this is the distance. Some of your friend may say, no, this is the distance. So, but there should be one perfect, fixed, unique distance, isn't it? That unique distance, if you see, that will be the perpendicular distance, which is the nearest distance. Also, this is the nearest distance, isn't it? So, that is the perpendicular distance is the unique distance. Fine. So, unique distance is that. So, that is 1 unit. Now, I can have another line like this, which is parallel to 1, and that is again a unique distance from this. Unit distance, isn't it? This is your 1, this is also 1 unit, right? So that's why they have asked you to find out two lines, equation of two lines. Why two lines? Understood? Isn't it? This P point, line may be up or line may be down also, isn't it? So first of all, slope I know, so it is very easy. Slope of the required line. Now, the slope of required line. M is equal to what? Minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So that's all. The given line, no, this much only information we need from the given line, nothing else. Okay, so you forget about the given line. Now, next comes this point P. From P, this line is unit distance, isn't it? So let the required line be (12x). Actually, the slope also we could have avoided directly. Two lines are parallel means the two first terms, no, it will remain the same. Okay, 12x plus of 5y only that there will be a change in C. This constant term will change. Okay, so this is the required line. So this also you can, if you want, you can avoid it. Okay, if you want, you can avoid this. Fine. Anyway, this is your equation number 2, right? So given this is your equation 2, let it be. Okay, so this is Pn. Given Pn is equal to 1, am I right? Pn is equal to 1, it is given, no? That is the perpendicular distance. P, that is minus 1 comma minus 1 is at unit distance from 2, right? From 2 it is at unit distance. Okay, so I will make use of distance formula. What is that? Straight line and point is given, means distance formula is what? So Pn is equal to 1, and what is Pn? It will be 12 into 1 plus of 5 into minus 1 plus C divided by root over 12 square plus of 5 square, isn't it? Is equal to 1. Correct? A x1 plus of b y1 plus of c divided by root over a square plus of b square is equal to 1. So this gives me what? 12 minus 5 is 7 plus c divided by 144 plus of 25, 169, isn't it? 169 means 13 is equal to 1. So it will be plus or minus.
So one doubt, sir. Sir, you told there will be, it will be up or down, no, sir?
Yes.
Sir, if we get the distance formula is always in mod, means it will be in positive, no, sir?
Yeah, this is positive.
Yes, sir.
But if it is upside, we will say positive. If it is down,
yes,
we will say negative.
Sir, if mod is there, then
no.
only shown
You see, mod means only the length. You forget about this positive and negative.
Yes,
okay, now this much length, this much distance, unit distance, isn't it? Unit distance, it may be up or it may be down. So if it is up, we are taking positive. If it is down, we are taking negative.
yes.
That's why I have taken plus or minus, isn't it? Because C value, two value we will be getting. So what you are getting? You are getting, okay, first you note it down, because I think this will it be covering. Okay, fine, you note down. Then thereafter again we will do. Okay, so directly we could have started from here, isn't it? This slope was not required directly, because if two lines are parallel, then first two terms will be same. Okay, because slopes are equal, that's why. Okay, till this, now what you are getting, plus or minus, I can say 7 plus of C is equal to 13, am I right? 13 will go up. Now 7 plus C is equal to 13, and you will be getting minus 7 minus C is equal to 13, right? So from here CV you will be getting it as 6. From here C you will be getting it as, if it comes in this side, minus 20. That's all. Okay. So substituting C in 1, substituting C in 2, right? So that is 12x plus of 5y plus of 6 is equal to 0 is one equation, and no, 2 equation 2, this is the equation 1 is this one, equation 2 is this only we have to find out, right? Equation 1 is this. So 12x plus of 5y minus 20 is equal to 0. So these are the two answers. Okay, these are the solutions, required equations actually. Okay, means required equations, we can say required equations. This is what they have asked for, 2 lines. Okay, fine.